June 6, 1981, a train fell into the river Bagmati. While it was crossing a bridge. 20 August 1995, the Purushottam Express collided with the Kalindi Express from Kanpur. Death around 385. November 26, 1998, Jammu Tawi Sealdah Express collided with 6 derailed coaches of the Amritsar-bound Frontier Mail, which were lying in its path, killing 212. August 2, 1999, the Gaizal train disaster, when 2 trains carrying about 2,500 people collided at the remote station of Gaizal in West Bengal, India. November 20, 2016, the Indore-Patna Express 19321, a scheduled train from Indore to Patna, derailed near Pokharayan, Kanpur, India, resulting in at least 150 deaths and more than 150 injuries. September 9, 2002, the Rafiganj rail disaster was the derailment of a train on a bridge over the Dev River. In north-central India, 130 people were killed. December 23, 1964, the Pamban Dhanuskodi passenger train was washed away by Rameshwaram cyclone, death over 126. May 28, 2010, a Jnaneshwari express train, West Bengal,